You may or may not have seen my recent video, 6-gun air conditioners blitz, best defense. Towards the end of that, I had my first failed Titan Pro capacitor, and today I think I found out why. That's coming up next on Kung Fu Maintenance. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Compressor's not running, and
The fan is spinning awfully slow.
this is I was going to check on this one and tighten the contacts, but I'm going to go ahead and pull the disconnect. There it goes, trying to start. I'll pull this. Oh, look at how loose this fuse is. Oh my gosh, that's bad. Alright, I'll put that apart. Screws for the wheel. Crazy. Gosh. Oh. Take these down. This side's nice and tight. Just the other side was loose. Fix this up, and that explains why this one's. Remember, this was the one with the Titan Pro that went bad way earlier than it should have. There it is. Nice and tight. Okay. Discharge the capacitor. I'm going to lift this capacitor a bit. And I'm going to tighten these incoming contactor screws. That was a little tight. Got to be careful on this left side. It's very easy to crack the plastic, so it's tight. That's tight. Incoming ground screw. Nice and tight. Okay, now I'll lift up this capacitor and tighten the set screw here. Keep the capacitor from falling down in there. And then we'll give this a little bit more of a twist. And we should start up no problem now. Alright. Good. This is why we do preventative maintenance, is to find these kinds of things. Prevent the no cool call for the summer. Alright, ready to run. Should run just fine now. Nothing. Maybe it reached temperature. Hard to believe with the whole thing was odd. The unit's vacant. So why it was even turned on. Sorry. It's left on. Let's manually push it in. Let's see. But we should have the problem whipped now. Here we go. Test it out. Yeah. No problem now. And I'll go in that unit and turn the unit off. It's a done deal. We found what our cause. So it's a good idea going through on the preventative maintenance also to test, watch those fuses. You know, move them around, make sure everything's tight in there. As you can go through everything else and miss that. They're going to have problems because of that. There's just a whole litany of stuff. Oh gosh. This steel's not set in there. There we go. Little dust cover. Hope that survives longer. Alright. Oh, glad we figured that out. That was good.
So tightening down the incoming wires, I did a ton more of these. Tightening them all down and tightening down the ground screw. I don't think this is something you need to do necessarily every year on a new install. I think I would do it again after the first year of the new install, and then I would say about once every 5 years, every 3 to 5 years, and where possible checking the disconnect fuses to make sure the fuses themselves are tight in the disconnect. Going through, you have to take precautions not to over tighten things as well. You can strip screws or you can break contactors by over tightening, but tightening these all down about once every 5 years and tightening the disconnect wires about once every 5 years.
Alright, it's the 52nd unit today. After this, be careful on this one. Alright, and the ground screw. There we go. Now all I gotta do is put all the covers back on. That's a done deal. Whew, getting warm.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.